Huawei Mate XTs Ultimate. Looks fancy, sounds fancy, but is it actually worth your lazy life hack energy? Let's find out. Imagine lying on your bed, too comfy to lift a finger. Then you use this pen. Bliss. That's the vibe Huawei's selling, and I'm low-key into it. Unboxing, open the box. Same classy packaging, new logo. They snuck a U and a D and an H in there. Cute flex. Phone pops up in purple. Also comes in white, black, red. Drop a comment. Which color would you roast me for choosing? Inside, 100W. Car charger, 66W brick, 2 USB-C cables, SIM pin, and a plastic eye case with a half-transparent matte finish. Kickstand included. Looks like a tiny purse when folded. Very drama. Very extra. Ports, speakers, noise mics, IR blaster, volume, side fingerprint. All the usual suspects. Build. Feels familiar. Almost too familiar. If you put this next to the OG Mate XTs, you'd squint and go, is this a glow-up or a photocopy? Subtle pattern on the back is the only flex. Now the M-Pen 3. This is the headline. Pull it out. Switch modes, air mouse on, and suddenly you're scrolling TikToks like a remote control god. Double press for clips. Press to play, pause, scroll. Without touching the screen, lazy person paradise. Hold a button and it becomes a pointer. Meeting mode activated. Writing? Smooth? No lag. Feels old school pen on paper but with future tech. Poetic, right? But, real talk, Huawei forgot the basics. No magnetic slot, no place to park the pen. It rolls off desks like a tiny escape artist. The hinge wobble when using the kickstand is a little sad. Camera module? Same design. Not a big optical. Glow-up triple fold innovation? Yes. Mass production bold move? Also yes. Is it perfect? Nah. Pricey, quirky, brilliant, in bits. If you want the whole foldable flex and pen life, this is near the top. If you can live without losing your stylus every 2 days, which color would you roast me for? Pen. Keep or toss? Drop thoughts below. Smash like if you're too lazy to. Reach for a charger and subscribe for more quick takes. Sammy out. Bye-bye.